Today video we will talk about AGen retail outlet price and stock balance checking application make stockist easier by scanning product barcode. AGen application will be like to a database of all the products sold in the retail outlet, along with their prices and current stock levels. This information could be updated and easier using a point-of-sale system, POS, or through regular inventory checks Excel link. When a customer or stockist scans the barcode of a product using the AGen application, the application would retrieve the price and stock level information from the database and display it to the customer. This would allow the customer to check the price and availability of a product quickly and easily without having to ask a salesperson. In addition to helping customers, the application could also be used by stockists to check the current stock levels of products. By scanning the barcodes of products, stockists could quickly and easily see which products are running low on stock and need to be replenished. Overall, AGen that provides retail outlet price and balance stock checking could help improve the efficiency of a retail operation and make it easier for customers and stockists alike. So, how to use AGen price and location checking application? First step is download and install the application. The user would need to scan the QR code and download the application from the AGen server for their mobile device or computer. Second step is sign up or log in. AGen requires users to sign up or log in for the first time. The user can have option to save the login information in the application so will directly access the application on next following use without required to log in again. Step 3. Allow access to the device camera. Since the application likely uses the device's camera to scan barcodes, the user would need to grant the application permission to access the camera. Step 4. Scan the product barcode. The user would then need to position the device's camera over the barcode of the product they wish to check. The application should recognize the barcode and retrieve the product's price and stock information. Step 5 is view the information. Once the application has retrieved the information, it will display it on the user's screen. The user can then view the price, stock levels, and any other relevant information. Last step is take action. Depending on your needs, you can take various actions based on the information provided by the application. For example, a customer may decide to purchase the product, or a stockist may choose to reorder the product.
Please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Follows our Facebook's pages and visit our websites www.alcaidc.com.